Chapter 3 about Microsoft Windows. Learning Objectives. After studying the chapter, students will be able to know about Windows 10, know about universal apps of Windows 10, know about starting and shutting down a computer, know about Windows 11. In the previous chapter, you learned about the most important piece of software on any computer system, that is the operating system. It controls and manages all the hardware and software resources of the computer system. Since MS Windows is the most popular operating system for desktop and laptop computers, let us explore the MS Windows in detail. About Windows 10. Windows 10 is the version of the operating system from Microsoft. Officially, it was released in July 2015 and was initially offered free of charge to legitimate users of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. This new version combines features from those two previous versions, Windows 7 and 8.1, to suit the computing requirements of the users in a better way for both desktop as well as laptop computers as well as mobile devices. Windows 10 is free for the licensed users of Windows 7, 8 and 8.1 and can be upgraded from the Microsoft server. Windows 10 weaves together the best parts of Windows 7 and 8. In Windows 10, Microsoft brought back the Start menu icon and the Start button which was missing in Windows 8. Internet Explorer is no longer the default browser. It is replaced by Microsoft Edge. Infobits. Satyanarayan Nadella, born 19th August 1967, is an Indian-American business executive. He is the current Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Microsoft. He was appointed as the CEO on 4th Feb 2014, succeeding Steve Ballmer. New features of Windows 10. New Start menu. It is significantly redesigned with new look and feel, including a more user-friendly Start menu with the Start button and taskbar. Cortana, the digital assistant. More advanced search functions, including a virtual assistant application called Cortana, is introduced as a voice-activated personal assistant. Microsoft Store. Windows 10 comes with a range of free built-in apps such as Skype and Microsoft OneDrive. In addition, a new Windows Store allows users to download additional apps to their computer. Some are free, some paid, ranging from productivity apps to games and entertainment. Microsoft Edge. It is the default browser in Windows 10. It has a new look and is a faster web browser, replacing Internet Explorer as Microsoft's default web browser. Action Center. It is a new notification panel called Action Center. It allows users to quickly edit settings such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Universal apps of Windows 10. Alarms and clocks. The alarms and clock allow you to set alarms, use a world clock and has a timer and stopwatch functionality integrated in it. Calculator. Windows 10 also includes a universal calculator app to replace the old desktop calculator. It includes standard, scientific and programmer layouts as well as a variety of unit conversion functions. News. The News app is an inbuilt app of Microsoft MSN News website. In addition to display the top news stories like Google News, you can also customize your interests and view local news. Photos. The Photos app provides a photo gallery that shows images located on your local computer as well as photos from OneDrive. Weather. It provides weather forecasts for locations of your choice along with historical weather data and weather-related news from MSN. Microsoft Store. The Store app is where you get new universal apps. The apps in the store are free or paid that can run either full screen or windowed. Other versions of Windows OS. MS-DOS. It stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. It was meant for only single-user systems and the OS would be a single-processor OS. It had no GUI. It was a command-line-based OS for users. Windows 9X. These were basic GUI-based OS. The versions of Windows corresponding to this series were Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 98 SE, Windows ME. These 4 software made the Windows OS very popular. Windows 95. Windows 95 had shown significant improvements over previous Microsoft products. It merged the MS-DOS shell of Microsoft with Windows products. 3 years after its introduction, Microsoft came up with Windows 98. Microsoft ended support for Windows 95 on December 31, 2001. Windows 98. This is a graphical operating system by Microsoft. It is the second major release in Windows 9X line of operating systems and the successor to Windows 95. Windows 98 was succeeded by Windows 98 Second Edition in 1999. Windows ME. This is Windows Millennium Edition or Windows ME. It is a graphical operating system by Microsoft released in September 2000. Windows NT line of OS. After Windows ME was released, the Windows 9X series of OS came to an end and the Windows NT came into being. Windows 2000. Windows 2000 is an OS by Microsoft to be used on both client and server computers in a network. Windows 2000 introduced the NTFS 3.0 encrypting file system as well as basic and dynamic disk storage. Windows 2000 introduced the Logical Disk Manager as well as the DiskPart command line tool for dynamic storage. Windows XP. Windows XP is a personal operating system by Microsoft as part of the NT family of OS. It was released for retail sale on October 25, 2001. Windows XP remained popular even after the release of newer versions, particularly due to the poorly received release of its successor, Windows Vista and Vista's 2009 successor. Windows Vista. This operating system was released by Microsoft for retail sale on 22 October 2009. Microsoft's primary stated objective with Windows Vista was to improve the state of security in the Windows operating system. Windows 7. This was the successor of the Microsoft OS, Windows Vista. Windows 7 was primarily intended to be an incremental upgrade to Windows Vista. That Vista received poor critical reception while maintaining the hardware and software compatibility. In October 2008, it was announced that it would also be the official name of the operating system. Windows 8. Windows 8 is a personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. Development of Windows 8 started before the release of its predecessor, Windows 7 in 2009. Windows 10. It is a personal computer operating system developed and released by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating system. It was officially unveiled in September 2014 following a brief demo in an event Build 2014. About Windows 11. Windows 11 is a new release of the Windows operating system developed by Microsoft. It is the successor to Windows 10, which was released in 2015. Windows 11 was released to the public on October 5, 2021 as a free upgrade via Windows Update on eligible devices running Windows 10. A new set of features in Windows 11 will be the introduction of Snap Layouts, Snap Groups, and Desktops. In Windows 11, the newly centered Start button uses the cloud and Microsoft 365 to show recent files. Summary. Microsoft Windows is the most popular GUI operating system for PCs. Operating system controls and manages all the resources of the computer system. GUI, Graphical User Interface, uses graphics or pictures to navigate and access programs. Windows 10 is the most recent version of the operating system from Microsoft. Windows 10 combines features from two previous versions, that is, Windows 7 and 8.1. Cortana is a voice-activated personal assistant used for the advanced search. Windows Edge is a new web browser from Microsoft. Universal apps are built-in apps of Windows 10 to work on PCs, laptops, tablets, and on Windows phones. Microsoft is most popular in the world for its